Hello, everybody. I am Warda Iqbal, your host for today. I am the strategy and operations lead at Bybit. Welcome back to another live stream where we will be discussing something very new tonight. So, whoever is joining us from wherever, stay tuned and stay hooked because this live stream is a little different as compared to other live streams. We have a lot of guests joining us talking about the most hyped up thing for 2026. So when I say the most hyped up thing for 2026, obviously it's one thing and one and only thing, which is AI. So we hear a lot of stuff when it comes to AI and how AI is taking over. So and how AI is actually helping us with our normal tasks as well. So we even before 2026, if we see, we had AI coming in the form of robots or different things and automation. But now we see that things are getting more and more easier day by day with the help of AI. So tonight, what we are going to discuss is AI good for us? How AI is being used in trading and in financial services, and we also have our experts joining us to talk about this very own thing. We also have a very fun campaign that we would like to talk about, where you can trade and you can compete against AI agents. So that's also something which is very popular and high in demand. That's the reason we have launched this. So before I begin, I would like to talk about red packets because all of you are very much excited about red packets. So before I introduce my guest, I would like to tell that we have two rounds of red packets. So stay tuned until the very end to grab your red packets. There is a 500 USDT price pool divided in two rounds. First round is for all users that can claim of 250 USDT in red packets, and then there all you need to do is trade and you can claim your red packet. The next round is for all new users, and new users can also claim red packets by depositing at least 100 USDT. So please make sure whenever the red packet comes in, you claim, and then in order to use the red packet, you will either need to trade at least 100 USDT or more, or deposit 100 USDT or more, depending if you are a new user or an old user. So now, moving on and to introducing our guest. Our first guest is from Bybit. I would like to introduce Yini, who is the global campaigns lead. Hi, Yini. How are you?
Hi, Water, and hi, IB users. Yeah, so
Quick
currently
Yes.
I'm in the global campaign team of Bybit, and I'm also running the AI vs human one showdown. And currently we still have 9 days left, so don't forget to enter our campaign and to grab our rewards every day.
Awesome, awesome. Sounds good. Um, Coming up next, we have Mark, CEO of Nofa.ai. So, a little bit about Nofa.ai before Mark joins us. Nofa is building the infrastructure for agentic trading. In Nofa, you can create, backtest, and deploy automated trading strategies with AI in minutes. So, hi, Mark, how are you? Mark, I can't hear you. I'm sorry. Hello, Mark. Okay, so let's move to the next speaker. And coming up next, we have MJ King, founder at AYC Fund, which is a YC backed AI native crypto hedge fund. Hi, MJ, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So I just want to, before we get into the real discussion, I would like you to introduce yourself to everybody and also tell a little bit about what AYC Fund is and what all are you doing in the financial space, and especially for AI.
Awesome. Yeah, so AY's fund is based in South Korea, and we are backed by Y Combinator. And we are now the head of AI native crypto hedge fund. So what we do is we are using AI. We are using Google Gemini and then the Cloud Code mostly, and then the building new type of AI strategy so that it can just monitoring the market with all the real-time databases and everything. And then we are trying to bring an institutional grade market neutral strategy for our client and users. And then with this AI, with the new wave, I think the all the VCs and all the traders, and including all the traders in Korea and the other global users as well. And then everyone is very excited about it. And then we are happy to be providing those top edge technology to users. And then we are happy to join this AI competition with the Bybit. So looking forward to discuss everything about AI with you guys today.
Awesome, sounds good. I'm also excited because this is something which I previously mentioned, that AI is the big thing now, and everyone is talking about AI. So that's a good thing that we have a panel of people who share the similar interest, and then we can learn something from each one of you. Mark, are you back? So if Mark is back, we can have him on stage as well.
Hello,
Hi,
can
Mark.
you hear me now?
Yes, perfectly fine.
Oh, sorry about the airport
No
thing.
worries.
Hi, Wada, and hello, everybody. So my name is Mark, the CEO of Nova AI. So just like what Wada said, so we are building the infrastructure for agentic trading. And as everybody know that this whole agent thing is very hot recently, especially with this open cloud thing, right? So we are building this platform so where you can do it yourself, or you can have your agents to go to Nova to create strategies, do the back test, do the demo trading, and even live trading. And also you can discuss with our AI to deploy your trading strategies in just like 1 minute. And quickly you can test whether your ideas can compete or have good hype in the market. This is what we are doing. And also we joined the trading competition in Bybit. It's an honor. And hopefully we still have 3 days, right? Hopefully at the end of the days that we can have a good profit. And if you are interested in our strategies, we can share with you. And so far, I think our 3 agents are performing quite well. And that's very lucky. That's it. Thank you again.
Awesome. So we also have one more guest joining us, Simon from AlphaGate. A little bit about AlphaGate. AlphaGate delivers institutional grade AI insights and automated strategies, which gives the crypto traders the edge they need to maximize their trading potential. So hi, Simon, how are you?
Hi, I'm Simon. Nice to meet you. How are you?
So Simon, I'm good. So Simon, tell a little bit about what what AlphaGate is doing, and how are you using AI, in trading in particular, and how is it helping?
Yeah, AlphaGate is a platform that uses AI to analyze your trade history, and we find the patterns that make recurring losses or the profits, and analyze and report you how to generate more better trades. And it's a sort of consulting service. So it's today really welcome to stay in here Bybit with users. So later check on applegate.me, and let's have fun talking about the AI, how we use it.
Sounds good. Okay, so a couple of questions before we get into the AI trading competition. So we do like a panel discussion or a round table. So before I get into the actual campaign, I would like to ask you one thing. So when we talk about AI, and AI is being used in almost everything now. So the question, let's start from Mark. So what's one thing that you feel that AI is genuinely doing better than humans right now? So what perspective do you have on that, Mark? And what's that one thing that you feel AI is doing better? You are on mute, Mark. Yeah.
Okay. If I can only say one thing, right? So if that's only one thing, I would say it's the discipline. So it doesn't, like, for example, if when people are trading, right? So you will feel fear, and you have the greed. But AI don't. It doesn't FOMO. It doesn't panic as well. So it will add as it said before. So for example, if you are building the strategies, it will add exactly as the strategy says, and it will not change no matter how the market goes. If it's earning, then it will not be too greedy. If it's losing, then it will not be panic. It will not be panic as well, and to just sell everything. I think this is the, if I have to say only one thing that would outperform human, that's the discipline.
Okay, yeah, that's a good perspective if you see, because also there is no emotional quotient if you see, but with humans there is this emotional quotient that that also takes something away, not away, but that also makes a big difference when we are making a decision, versus an AI. Obviously that emotional quotient is non-existent. My question to MJ is that, okay, Mark has talked about what AI is doing better than humans, but what is something which you feel that humans are still better at as compared to AI, and where AI is failing or not performing better as compared to humans? So MJ, over to you.
Mhm. Sounds good. Yeah, I think that's a great question. We've been developing this new kind of strategy with the AIs, with the Cloud Opus 4.5. And we found out that AI is just cannot start it from the scratch, meaning that we have to feed them information. And then since this is a trading, all the data comes from the experience. So experienced traders can create a better strategy, and they can just lead AI to generate the better code and the better strategy. So we call it like a harness engineering nowadays, because we are now just leading this AI to generate alpha type of strategy. I think this is the type of AI will be filled in the future. But for now, it's good for us as a human and as an experienced trader, that I can just harness this type of AI service and the engineering to be able to create a alpha generating strategy.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now over to you, Simon. When we talk about speed, data, execution, so do you think that AI is outperforming humans in these three specifics: speed, data, and execution?
Well, not really. I don't think the AI has more specialty in the speed, but rather, from my experience, I think the rule-based system still has a clear advantage when it comes to capturing like short-term edges on a specific assets, but because it's more fast and deterministic and it doesn't hallucinate. So where I see AI adding a unique value is at the higher abstraction layer, such as portfolio level reasoning. It means that the AI can understand the characteristics of the strategy's risk profile and of like multiple strategies, and recognizing that what kind of market condition we are likely in, and it can decide and have make better allocation decisions that better than rule-based systems. So in AlphaGate, we are experimenting like those of experiments, and I don't really think the AI has more advantage on a speed or the execution on such of those things.
Sounds good. That's also a good way of putting it, I would say. Yini, now I would like to ask you what type of traders, because obviously you have launched this campaign that we will be talking about in the next phase of this live stream. What kind of traders do you think benefits the most from AI right now as of today?
Oh, okay. So, I think different kind of traders can all benefit from AI, but like first of all, maybe more skilled traders can know how to use AI better, because they have already have their very comprehensive trading strategies, so they can directly tell AI to execute it or like to make it better. But like for maybe some retail traders or some traders who are not very familiar with the market yet, you can also ask AI more questions and to learn from AI. So I think AI can tell everybody more than their previous experience. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Just one thing now, guys, before we move into the next section, we have done the first round of red packets, and first round of red packets have all gone. But the good news is for new users, you still have a chance to grab the next round of red packets, because in the next 15 minutes we will be releasing them as well. So before we move in to the campaign mechanics and everything, just one thing I would like to talk about is Bybit and AI, because Bybit is also doing a lot of advancements when it comes to AI. We have rolled out multiple features that can related to AI that can help you in your trading as well. Like Trade GPT, AI trading skills, AI agents, and then we have also launched a big campaign and a competition where you are basically, competing against AI agents. So, Yini, the question from you is, can you just talk about a little bit about the features that Bybit has, and also about Bybit AI Hub, and all other things related to AI that Bybit has to offer for all the users, so that the traders and the viewers that are watching us can understand the plethora of features that we have when it comes to AI.
Yeah, I think here comes a hardcore part. So entering 2026, Bybit has evolved from a simple crypto trading platform into a very comprehensive AI-driven ecosystem. And currently, we are also a multi-assets all-in-one trading platform. You can find different assets here, no matter crypto or like some ETF or MT5 or oil, gold. So currently for AI, we have two core pillars. The first one is TradeGPT, and the second one is our Bybit AI Hub. So I think I will go through both with you guys. Let me try to share my screen. Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen right now? Okay. So
Yes.
like for Bybit Trade GPT, I think it can act as a 24-hour, 7 days market analyst for everybody. So the key feature is that you can automatic get your market analysis briefing from it, and you can also get some technical indicator analysis from it, like if you want to know more about KDJ, ISI, MACD, or other technical indicators, you can all find it in TradeGPT. And you can also ask some smart questions and get its response. And how to find it? If you are a website users, you can directly find it in our website. Let me try to share the website with you guys. Okay, so here is a website for TradeGPT, and directly ask it about like what are the support and resistance level for ISP. So I think it will quickly answer the questions for you. And currently, because I haven't logged in, so I only have 3 times limits. But you are a Bybit user, I think you can have up to 20 times every day. Just ask TradeGPT any questions you want to know, and he can even show a vivid graph for you and to help you to make your investment decisions. The second one is about the Bybit AI Hub. Let me try to find it. Okay, so for Bybit AI Hub, it's the difference from it. The difference between it and TradeGPT is that while TradeGPT can tell you what to do, the AI Hub can actually do it for you. So it's fully integrated with Bybit's advanced trading engine. And to get started, you only need 3 simple steps. And to install it in your OpenClaw or Cloud Code, just simply put this sentence there, and it will help you to download the skill MD from our GitHub. And also it will guide you to create and figure your Bybit API key. Also, you don't need to worry about the safety thing because like the key is stored locally and never uploaded to any third-party server. And after you set the API, I think you can ask it to do a quick trade for you. Like you can place a market order, ask it to place a market order for you, and also you can ask it to help you to do the asset management. This is if you are a little bit afraid because it's your real money, right? Maybe you can try the testnet one. So we also have a testnet version for our Bybit AI Hub, and you can use your testnet account to do the modeling trading first and to see its outcomes. So yeah, you can try it and to see how it can help you to break the human limits, and let AI open the new possibilities for you. Yeah. I'm also wondering about our guests. Are you already try our features or?
Yes, that's something which I wanted to ask. Have you guys used our features? So the question is from Mark, Simon, and MJ. Have you guys used Bybit AI features previously, or are you guys excited? Because I know that you guys are participating in the competition, but apart from that, have you guys used it? So yeah, MJ, you can start.
Yeah, we've been researching stage at this moment. So now I feed those information into my cloud code, and then they are now studying it. And also Gemini also studied about it, and then we are trying to find a way to implement to our current system. So I think it's the AI hub is a great resource for us. So I think the in the near future we can integrate some part of it so that we can enhance our trading strategy with a better quality with support of the AI hub with the Bybit.
That's the see, the beauty of it is that everyone can benefit from AI in a certain way. That's the beauty of it. And I'm glad that it will help you enhance your set as well. So that's a good thing. One question from my side is that how are institution, because there obviously institutions are different from retail traders. So when it comes to AI, how are institutions using AI differently from retail traders? MJ, you can answer, and then Simon and Mark can
Sure.
answer.
Yeah, for us, it's all about our clients, right? So whatever we do, we are trying to bring our alpha to our clients. So institutional grade, all the tech stack was quite quite barrier to non-engineering team, the quant team. But now is with the AI. Now I can just build it from the DevOps to front end just by myself. And then we are trying to bring the alpha. And then as long as we can bring the alpha to our clients and the institution and fund of funds, and that they're happy with it. And the great thing about it, the DevOps part was the really headache for us because we are trying to feeding the data and then just searching the data in the real time. But now with the AI and the empowering all the possibilities, so now for us and then for our clients are happy with the enhanced strategy, because now we are keep bringing the alpha, as you can see from the AI competition, our performance. So as long as we are bringing alpha to our clients, but they're happy with it because we really change it from the directional strategy to the market neutral strategy, and then with the great return performance. So they're happy with that thanks to AI.
Awesome, awesome. So Simon, what do you have to say about it, and how AI is helping the institutions as compared to retail traders?
Yeah, honestly, AlphaGate, the use of AI is recently a relatively recent project. AlphaGate has been built on strict rule-based systematic trading, such as defining and combining indicators that work on markets and generating signals. Like those approach has worked well currently, and our core strategies are working fine in live markets. But as AI reasoning capabilities improve dramatically in recent years, we started asking different questions. So how can we use an AI to enhance our process or the services better? So the I'm currently building a research agent from using an AI, and it saves a ridiculous amount of research time. But currently in the decision-making process, for us, we are trying to experiment using in a portfolio management level. Because I thought this because before founding AlphaGate, I worked as a portfolio manager running multi-strategy allocation funds in traditional finance area. I built multiple systematic strategies and then systematically allocate capital across them based on market conditions. So most of the time, the system handled everything, but in certain market conditions, as you know, the human has to step in and manually adjust strategy weightings or the allocation of certain symbols. I did it because, I accepted that the fundamental truth of that no systematic strategy works perfectly in every market. So there are always unconsidered variables and the situations the original model didn't account. So, and fortunately, those manual management often improved my outcomes. So that experience is why I'm trying to make and believe AI could play a meaningful role here. So if human reasoning-based adjustments can add value on top of systematic models, then AI with current now situation have significantly enhanced reasoning capabilities could potentially do better. So I'm working on those experiments right now. And honestly, I'm having more failures than a success right now, but I think that those iterations are really important making those AI systems. So I think everyone should try more and more to experiment in live markets. And I think when you accumulate those experiences, then I think we can go much further.
Absolutely. I agree 100% with you. One question that we have, and Mark, you can also help answer us this question. In the live chat, someone is asking that if AI is being implemented at this stage, and when it gets so smart, will human traders even be left at one moment, or will it, overtake the humans basically? So, Mark, what do you have to say on this? Do you think that AI will outsmart the humans and it will overtake humans at some point?
Okay, thank you. So I think when we talk about AI, that we need to define the scope. So for example, in the institutional levels, so we already have this high frequency trading, which we are talking about the millisecond arbitrage, right? And this already outperformed human, like long time ago, actually. And also those quant funds running complex multi-factors models with those massive data and computes, and also some risk management systems doing real-time monitoring. And all this we are talking about is already like left human behind. It's all managed by those computers, or we say it's about AI, right? And if we are talking about the retail parts or the day trader parts, also we have those, for example, signal bots, right? So they can just tell you when to buy, when to sell, even if you have no idea, right? It catches all the data, events, and etc. And also in many exchange, I think we have the grid trading bots, very simple automations that human traders can just apply very easily. But still, when we are talking about like every day, like for example, myself, right? I didn't ask AI to help manage everything I have, but it's helping me for now, but it's not taking my place. For example, what I'm doing now is that AI assists me every day. I give the AI market data, the price actions, the on-chain flows, some sentiment signals, and it helps me to find the patterns maybe I may miss previously. So it's not about just executing everything for me. It helps me to discover what to trade and how to trade, and discover some opportunities that maybe in my blind spots. And even, for example, in crypto-wise, is that the tokens I've never heard of maybe, and in traditional markets, maybe some stock and that I never heard of. And this is what we talk about is the correlations, no matter in data part, indicators parts, or events parts. I think this also values a lot. which is not about leaving the humans behind, but also but more about to co-pilot together, right? So human traders with smart strategies, they know what data to feed into the AI, and then AI helps the human traders to trade a lot better.
I agree with you on this, Mark, because rather than saying that AI will outperform us, it's more of assisting us and helping us perform better. So if we take it in from from that lens, we can see how AI is actually helping us do things better and do trading better, and maximize our profit and our potential. So along with that, we will I would like to announce that we have our second round of red packets going up in like a minute or so, and it will be on your screen. So try to claim it as soon as it appears, because it goes like this, and it's for new users. All you need to do is deposit $100 or more, and you can claim your prize. So now I like to move towards the second section of our live stream, which is the AI versus humans trading competition. This is something which is a very exciting and one of a kind trading competition that Bybit has launched. I would like Yini to explain the mechanics of it, and also then we will go through our set of speakers to share their feedback, and how their working has been when it comes to participating in this competition. So over to you, Yini. Please let us know how this works. Until when is the competition, and how can the a normal user participate?
Okay, thank you, Warda. So our competition has started on the 6th of March, and it will end on the 27th of March. And I think I will share a video of it to quickly explain the mechanics.
Ready to trade against AI? Join Bybit's AI 1v1 Trading Showdown and go head-to-head with top AI models in real time. Pick your match length, 1, 2, or 4 hours. Longer battles mean more points. Shorter ones, more chances to win. Win your match and claim your points instantly. And here's the twist. Your trading volume boosts your score. Win or lose, you're stacking points. Qualifications to compete? Just 100 USDT. Trade at least 100 USDT per match to earn points. And climb 2 leaderboards. Top 1,000 traders share 3,500 USDT every day, with 500 USDT for first place, and the overall 288,888 USDT in total prizes, including 88,888 USDT for first place. Think you can beat AI? Let's find out. Trade now.
Okay, so to join this competition, actually, we didn't set any threshold. But if you want to get matched with AI, your UTA account need to have at least 100 USDT, and you can get the chance to do the 1v1 battle against AI. Just log in your Bybit account and find the page. I think you will find it in the web banner or application banner. And currently, we have 6 leading AI models, and we can see right now we have ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Q1, and also Cloud Kimi. And for the 6 AI agent, they all have 5 different kind of styles. So users will be randomly matched with different kind of different AI. And also we have institutional AI part, so we can find Nova and also AYC Advocate here. And I think for users, you can choose your play style, like 1, 2, or 4 hours, and the longer duration you choose, the more points you earn. But if you choose the shorter races, you will have more chances to compete every day. So for every day we have 24 hours. So if you choose 1 hour, you can compete for 24 times. And no matter you win or you lose in a match, you can both earn points. If you win in the competition, if you win against AI, you will have double points. But if you lose, you will also gain some points. And currently, you can see the performance of our AI team. Currently, here we are already in the 12th day of it. So the competition will last for 21 days, and every day we will have a leaderboard, and a daily leaderboard. So every day we offer 3,500 USDT, and the top one can gain 500 USDT. And for our total ranking, so if you consistently join our competition for 21 days, I think you will show on the total ranking part, and you will have a bigger rewards for you. That's the more that you trade, so the more points you earn, and also if you apply more trading volume, and you will receive more points. So for if you just wanted to see the AI's performance, okay, we can also find the AI ranking here. So currently you can see Gemini and the Q1 they perform best in this competition, and but also like DeepSeek or Kimi, they also have a great result. But I think we don't really need to panic if to compete with this AI, because it's really hard to predict AI's performance. Let's see this P&L curve. So like last 2 weeks, when the market is really bare, we can see the AI didn't really outperform a lot. But like during the past three days, because we all know the market has been quite good recently. So the AI has been also show a great result recently. But in our testnet, actually only few AI they can be really profitable. So when we match with AI randomly, maybe there is a high chance that users can be paired with the AI that's not really perform very well. So the users have a high relatively probability to win the game. And yeah, so do you have any questions for this competition, Wada? So I can, or like any questions from our users?
No, not really from the users, but the main concern from the users is that how the trading competition is working between humans versus AI, because that's the actual thing that people want to understand. And are the humans dominating, or is AI taking over? That's the major question that we have in the live chat. So, would you like to answer that, Yeni, and explain how it's working, and if humans are dominating the leaderboard, or is it the AI taking over?
Yeah, because this time our mechanism is quite different. It's a 1v1, and it's a 1, 2, or 4 hour short-term PK race. So we don't really have a total PNL leaderboard for human, but like every time you choose to do the 1 or 2 or 4 hours race, you will get a result very quick. So after 1 hour or after 2 hours, you will know like during the short time whether you can outperform it. Yeah, so I think from the website we can also see that the AI's winning rate is no AI is I mean like their win rate has never been above 60%, and some of the AI's winning rate is only 40%. So I think human also still has lots of chance to win against AI.
Awesome. That's quite interesting, and also it's something which we have not launched earlier. So it's it's a different kind of competition, because again it's a 1v1 AI versus humans. So I would like to invite all of you who are watching to try this at least once. The barriers to entry are also very low. It's just you need to have 100 USDT in your account, and you can join the competition. So very limited requirements, not much required to join, and it's very exciting, and you can also see how you are performing when it comes to against an AI. Now coming over to our institutional partners and our speakers that have joined us today. So when you guys joined the competition, what were your first thoughts, and how did you take it up? MJ, you can start off.
Yeah, sure. I think the competition itself was really interesting to me, because I never knew that there's such a competition, that human versus AI in the trading terms. So I think it was very interesting and very intrigued me. And we were actually at the time was building and then finalizing the first ship of this AI native strategy anyways. So I think it was challenging timeline for us. But I think at the end of the day, we were trying to release the working live version of AI native strategy, and then it was great opportunities. And with us and with among these institutional AI partners as well, it was such an honor to be able to be on the same page with them. On the same page, and then to be able to work with Bybit for the first time to be actually as an institutional partners. So we are very excited to be part of it. And then I think the AI competition will be going on after this competition. So willing to join as a experienced institutional AI partner in the future soon too.
Awesome. I'm glad that you liked it. So now, Simon, what's one thing that excited you the most when you were given the opportunity to join and compete against in this competition? So what was that one thing that you felt like that excited you the most?
Well, because the AlphaGate is a very recent project for us, we are only having about 6 months. But and the opportunity with the Bybit and competing in the real market with our AI models was, I think, it was really exciting opportunity to me. And the models we are doing right now is one of the experiments of our testing. So I think those feedbacks from the market are really important to my modeling structures. And I think not even about the competition, I really tried doing my model test in live markets and watching through how does it respond to the market every day is really helping me about thinking about what to change, adjust about the modeling, and what is wrong about it and what is doing well about it, and such of those reasoning about the modeling. I think it's a very good opportunity, and so I think the large institutions should try with those feedbacks.
Thank you, Simon. So, Mark, the question from you is what excites you the most about competing, against retail challengers in a 1v1 format? So, what excites you the most in this competition, Mark?
To be honest, what excites me the first is the price is so big, right? So it's 88,000. It's a very lucky number. If I'm a retail trader, I want to join, but I'm the AI representative. Right? And also one thing is that previously, actually, we joined similar campaigns before, like about human versus AI, but that's quite different because previously it's more like the marathon, like humans and AI start at the beginning together and also end at the end of the day together. But this time it's totally different, right? So it's like the humans join randomly and to compete with AI at a random time, which creates a very large challenge, a very big challenge for us because we need to act very steady. Instead of for example, if it's a 1 week competition, then we know how to set the strategies, and we know that humans can be very greedy at some time and very fear at some time. So we can set the strategy accordingly. But for this time, we can't. So we have to make the AI within this, I think 21 days, right? Being persistent enough to have the high win rates, which is very, very hard for us. So as you can see from the P&Ls of the Nova agents on the Bybit webpage, that the P&Ls of Nova's agents is very steady. And that's our strategy, actually. We make the AI very conservative so that we can make sure that, try to make sure that every time when a human comes in, we will not lose that much, right? So we make sure that we win in every small battle. And I think this actually is very interesting for us as well. And also one thing is that This time we are trying to utilize our new products within Nova. That previously it's all about the black box, like asking AI to do everything. But this time we are giving very exact prompts for the agents that is very transparent. That we can see the logic tree, and you know exactly why it's making every trade. So it's not about the AI magic anymore. It's we are trying to prove that it's the indications that the retail traders can also build real edge when they have the right tools. So hopefully we have the right tools, and that's what excites me the most.
Awesome, awesome. Thanks, Mark. So one thing before we wrap up this session, because you all are participating in the competition. So I want to know what's your strategy? I mean, obviously, I don't know, whatever you guys can reveal, because obviously the competition is still on, and the competition closes in the next 8-9 days, if I'm not mistaken. So what's when you guys started this whole thing and started participating, what's that one thing that you felt that you need to add it in to have that edge over others? So whatever you want to reveal, but for a normal viewer, I would like you guys to talk a little bit about your strategy, so that we can educate the masses who are watching us. So MJ, we can start from you, and then we can go to Simon and then Mark.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, I think that's a great question. So we are providing for this AI competition that providing a high frequency trading type of ATR grid bot. So let's say we don't want to go directional strategy because that can go max drawdown heavily. That's why we chose to go with the market neutral strategy with the grid strategy. So and then with the AI, we are generating the data and then just reading all the analytics, and we change all the market regimes when it's extreme, like a stable, or like a those market regimes is checked by every second. So it's deciding to whether we want to just wider grid or like the shorter the grid the is. So we are changing this grid strategy and then how much you want to put it in based on the market regime in the real time. So that's the one that we're providing for this AI competition, and we haven't changed anything from the beginning to at the end of this day. So I think markets, since we are institutional AI, so most of our clients already using this type of strategy, and then for past 8 days they're making like a 12% or something. So it's been working great for us, and then hopefully we can generate alpha for our Bybit users in the after this competition. Yeah, and that's why we are using it.
Awesome, awesome. So Simon, how about you? What strategies do you feel that you had to implement when participating in this competition?
Well, for this competition, we deliberately turned our system for the competitive format. So leaning into directional bets and aggressive leverage, actually, and high trade frequency. So we are about placing more over than 2,000 orders at a day right now. So it's really a risky approach, but I thought that those experiments was important to me, and I want to test in this competition. So the real-time feedback from we are getting is, I think it's really good. So that was the approach that we did for this competition.
Perfect. Mark, do you have anything to add on from your side?
I shared something right before, right? So 3 keywords about our AI strategies this time. Due to the markets, actually, because as everybody knows, the market is very bad recently, right, in the past 3 months, and also because of the war things. So the market changes rapidly every day, which is very hard to predict. So we set up 3 keywords for the AI agents. The first one is the conservative. So we don't want it to be very aggressive. And the second thing is that we set very strict TPSL, like take profit and stop loss. So to make sure that every small steps AI can earn something, and also with low leverage. If it's high leverage, if the market changes so badly, then the AI can lose a lot. And also, one thing I want to point out is that with these events, together with Bybit, I think we are also trying to provide the users confidence that of using AI to trade, right? And also Bybit is putting forward this whole AI thing. So I think in the end, it's not only about at the end of the day how AI agents can earn how much, but also if AI can act very persistently. And this is one thing that we also want to prove at this competitions. If AI can actually act very persistently, then people can also have the confidence that to put the money actually for AI to trade, right? Start with 100 and then maybe 500 and then 1,000. I think that's also very important in the long run.
Absolutely. I think that is something which is very important, and how AI can assist you rather than overtake you or outsmart you or outperform you. The key here is to understand how AI can help you generate in maximizing your profit and maximizing your portfolio. So I think that's a valid point from you, Mark. Thank you so much, everybody. For joining us today for such insightful session, and some key learnings from this session as well. Just before I wrap up, I would like to let everyone know that AI versus human 1v1 trading competition ends on March 27th. So there are still 8-9 days left for you guys to participate. Make sure that you participate and take a share from that prize pool that we have to offer. Once again, a huge thanks to everybody for sharing some real insights. I think this gave us a much clearer picture of how and where we stand when it comes to AI today. We are going to take this one step further as well, and we are bringing a lot of advancements when it comes to AI within Bybit scope and hemisphere as well. So stay tuned for all the updates that we are bringing in when it comes to AI. And if you want to check out Bybit AI Hub, that's also a very good way to check out and start towards your trading journey with Bybit AI Hub. Once again, there are a lot of tools when it comes to AI and Bybit. Make sure to check them out whenever you can. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Until next time, we will see you again in the next live stream. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.